Hello, I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're disco in. This is both a market brief and a gold brief. Unfortunately, I think we might hit a cycle high, maybe a month, maybe a couple of weeks, maybe 15th of December, hopefully, after the FOMC. Maybe no. All I know is just there are so many bearishness in the market now using so many tools, and it's not a happy conclusion. I sold with a modest loss today, modest loss, but it's okay. I did it like a pro. I have to count my losses. I was lucky not to be all in. I lost a little bit, and I'm doing fine. I'm surviving. I'm playing by the book. You have to sell with a loss. All right. This is TLT, the ETF for bonds. And TLT is doing okay, but it might retrace, but I don't see any selling point yet. It is at seller's zone, that's for sure, right here. But there's no selling signal so far. But I would not like to hold it right now, okay? Because it's seller's zone. We might have a bearish crossover, yet it's still high reading, okay? And we failed to go over 70. It's okay. So TLT, if I'm holding it now, I will cut down myself, okay? So I'm not so bullish on TLT because of the seller's zone. UUP, unfortunately for the market, unfortunately for everybody else, now it is in a definite buyer zone. This is the UUP, the ETF for DXY, in a buyer zone, and it was bottoming back to back. And now we made a bullish engulfing. We opened lower and we closed all the way high, close to the high the day before. Okay, and unfortunately, okay, no, we don't have. Yeah, unfortunately, we didn't hit the 30 for the UUP, which means it's very possible that this might be a cyclical bottom. We might go up from here. Okay, unfortunately. Fortunately for the bulls, and unfortunately for everyone else. Okay, so bullish on UUP in daily. Let me look at the weekly even though it's not, just see what happens. Yeah, nothing to think about except the RSI. The VIX. Yeah, I failed to recognize the importance. Last Friday of green VIX. I don't know why I failed to recognize that, but all of us are traders. We make these obvious mistakes. But oh well. Thank God I'm still surviving. I made money, thank God, this year. Made money the last couple of months. I'm doing fine. So, I'm learning. I'm not, I make mistakes too. So I should have taken a note that the VIX was green while the market was down. So, maybe, sorry, the market was up too. Not everything, but some part of the market. So I should have been, especially the Dow, I should have been taking notes. Yeah. Oh well. So, this is an amazing gap up, beautiful gap. We don't know what's going to happen, but it's extremely bullish. No bullish disco combo yet. We could lower the time frame and we can see something. We put 195 time frame and we can see the bullish disco combo intact. And every time this happens, something really major happens. Okay? Okay, so the VIX is going up. Dow Transport. We have a bearish disco combo. It's never been a good thing at all in the past. When you have the bearish disco combo in the Dow Industrial and Dow Transport, last time you had that was back in August. Okay. And before that was in June 10th, May 6th, all preceded by price destruction in the market. So you have a bearish disco combo and a breakdown in the bear flag. See, although I lost money today, not that much, but I think I did it like a pro. I waited for the confirmation. You have to lose money. You have to sell with a loss, so I have to take it easy on myself. Okay, so that was the bull flag. And we're broke down here, so it's okay. So breakdown in the bull flag with a bearish disco combo in the Dow Transport. The Dow Industrial, the same thing. Bearish disco combo with breakdown in the bearish wedge. Last time this happened, it's exactly the same as the transport. Does not mean the market's going to collapse. It means watch out. So we are now supposedly in August 22nd. So we might have a price destruction. Maybe, maybe not. But the pro, like myself, would be all cash right now. Because every time this happens, something major happens in the market. Okay? Capisce? 21st. We might have something like that. Then boom. For sure. A bearish discount combo in the Dow has never been a beautiful time at all. Period. Even during the bull market. Okay? So, bearish discount combo with the bearish wedge breakdown in the Dow Industrial. The IWM. Oh, God have mercy. This scares me the most. So, price destruction of 2% in the IWM with a similar pattern. You have bearish discount combo with bearish divergence with failure at the 200-day moving average. And by tomorrow, this RSI is going to be below 50. This has never been a beautiful occasion at all, even in the IWM. Okay? Never been. Ever. I'm not happy to bring the bad news, but I have to be, I have to be honest with myself. I live off of this. This is my job. This is my profession. And I have to be truthful to myself, to you guys. That's why I wanted to upload this video, because my last video, I was very bullish. So I have to say I was wrong and watch out. Okay? So failure at the 200-day moving average, breakdown in the bear flag, same as the Dow Transport, okay, with bearish disco combo and bearish divergence. Okay, so that's the IWM. In the SPY, we have a breakdown in the bearish wedge, but I don't think we have a bearish disco combo. Let me make sure. So it's going to be either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. But you have the bearish disco combo everywhere, so watch out with the breakdown in the bear flag. See, I was bullish on Apple based on a bullish crossover in the 20 and 50-day moving average. Got my attention today. You had rejection from both the 50 and 20-day moving average. Usually you don't want that. You want support. Here it acted as a resistance. You gapped down, you tested it, and boom. It's never been good. Ever, ever, ever. So that was one reason why I sold my Apple shares today. Also another reason. I always have a reason to buy, and once that reason is gone, I'm gone too. So, bull flag is busted. And rejection from the 20 and 50-day moving average. GDX, exactly the same. It is a measurement of liquidity. When you have a top like this in GDX, you may have a top in the market as well, because it's a measurement of liquidity. So you have bearish divergence and a bearish disco combo, failure before even you get too close to the 200-day moving average. Does not mean it's going to a meltdown mode. It means watch out. We might be in August 18th scenario, but look what happened here. We might go all the way down to 23, 22, 21. We may even find buyers here, and this is going to be the bottom at 25. We don't know. No one knows the future. But we work with patterns. Usually a major top in GDX or gold miners comes with bearish divergence. But this one is a mini one. So hopefully it's not a major one like this one. It could be like this mini one. I really don't know. All I know now, cash is king via GDX. Silver, SLV. I don't know why I failed to recognize it this time. I'm only human. I make mistakes. Usually, every time SLV makes bearish MACD, it gets my attention. It did not only a bearish MACD, but bearish disco combo. So I could have sold here everything right here. But oh well, you live and learn. And I really didn't lose that much money anyway, so it is okay. So you have a bearish disco combo. We might be somewheres here. I really don't know where are we in SLV. All I know, it's bearish and cash is king. Let me look at GLD. Exactly the same thing. It's amazing, man. It's amazing. So bearish disco combo in GLD, GDX, SLV, IWM, Dow Transport, Dow Industrial. We don't have a bullish disco combo in the VIX nor in the UEP, but it's really dangerous right now. In conclusion, please watch out. This is a valid sell signal on everything. It does not mean the end is near. It means manage your risk, and it means I will be all cash. Please like if you like, share, subscribe, and do remember, this goes forever.